In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Apify YouTube scraper. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would, and then just look up Apify. From here, please go to the official apify.com website, then click on it just like this. Go to the search bar and type in YouTube. Then go ahead and select on enter. And we actually have multiple different options right over here, but this is the most popular one called YouTube Scraper. And you just want to go ahead and select on it. And this is an incredibly useful tool if you are doing like niche research or you're someone who's in like the YouTube automation space. This is definitely going to come in handy. So over here, it's going to give you a brief overview showing exactly how to use it, what does it actually do, and the use cases for the data. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to press on this button that says try for free. But if you guys want a more detailed description on what it does, this is basically what you're able to do. You're able to scrape data such as channel name, number of likes, comments, video URL, channel location, total videos, number of views, etc. So all really great tools that you're able to use to understand certain YouTube niches and markets. But let's just press on try for free. Now, the great thing about Apify is that you're able to create an account completely for free without inputting any type of credit card or debit card information. And they're going to give you $5 worth of free credits to start you off with. But I'm not going to lie, it does eat up those funds pretty fast. So you are going to need to, at some point, add more funds over onto Apify. Unfortunately, it is not free. Okay. So they do provide you with a tutorial as well, but this is the first filter that we're able to look through. We're able to scrape through different search terms. So let's say, for example, you're in the Minecraft niche, right? And you want to do some research on Minecraft, you're absolutely able to do so. Then you guys could add more keywords if you want. For example, you can put in Minecraft Marketplace or Minecraft Pocket Edition, etc. Or you can just press over here where it says X. And then from here, you guys are able to select on the maximum videos per search term, the maximum shorts per search terms, and the maximum streams per search term. And what another thing you guys are able to do is you guys are also able to filter by direct URLs. So you're able to input a URL right over here, and then it is going to go ahead and scrape that. So that is a phenomenal option that you guys have. And next up, you're able to go ahead and download the YouTube transcripts as well. You can download the subtitles. You could save the subtitles to a key value store right over here, and you can determine the language as well. So that is definitely something you're able to go ahead and do. Incredibly useful. Next up, we have add filters. Now this is where you're able to go ahead and really specify your search significantly. You guys are able to go ahead and first of all, go through the sorting order. So it could be relevance, rating, update, date, or view count. We have the date filter. So whether you want this past week, month, etc. We have the video type filter. So whether it's a video or a film, most likely it's going to be a video. And then over here where it says length filter, this is where you're able to go ahead and sort between that. So under 4 minutes, 4 to 20 minutes, or over 30 minutes. And over here, you're able to turn on these different features as well, such as HD, subtitles, Creative Commons. Creative Commons is basically like work that you're able to use completely for free. We have 3D, live, purchase, 4K, 360, location, HDR, and VR as well. And we also do have date range as well. Another thing to note is that some of these filters will cost additional money. So every time you see a $ icon right next to it, that means you are going to need to pay more money. And this is where you're able to input the dates to actually scrape the videos. So if you're trying to scrape videos from a particular quarter, maybe Q1 of 2026, you're able to go ahead and input that here. And then you guys are able to sort by the newest, popular, or oldest. And yeah, this is basically where you're able to go ahead and add all the different filters and really specify your search. Once you're 100% satisfied with the parameters that you inputted, then you want to go over here and press on save and start. And that is going to start the YouTube scraper and begin doing its actions. From there, you should be able to see some decent results. Again, it can definitely be a little bit costly, so that is something that I want you guys to take note of. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.